Oh, that's a nice one right there. This is a 2026 HPD Honda TrailSport, newly redesigned on the inside and the outside. I want to show you things like the clear bra we have on here. You got Passport stamped in the beginning because it's got the blackout. You got the black badging, TrailSport badging. You got new all LED taillights. Hit that once, hold that circle down until it flashes. After it flashes, let go. It'll start the vehicle up when you see the three flashes. That's what the first set of three flashes are. The second set of three flashes is letting you know that this vehicle is either warming up or cooling off. I'm your Tracy Honda Insider at TracyHonda.com. I want to thank you so much for taking the time you have taken to look at this 2026 Honda Passport TrailSport Elite S package. $55,100, 20 combined, 18 city, 23 highway. Now here at Tracy Honda, you'll see all weather mats, cargo tray, wheel locks, clear shield to help protect your investment. That's what we're here for, to make sure that you keep coming back and the vehicle looks as close to brand new as when you got it. Just like all the rest of our happy buyers for over 38 years here in Tracy, California. 3450 Auto Plaza Way, Tracy, California, 95304. You can see we have a brand new dealership for you. Excited for this dealership and excited for you to come and check this out. Now, if you have the trail package, you'll know it's down here, which also has a weight of 5,000 pounds, and you have a maximum tongue weight of 500 pounds. There's your electronic controls. So normally what you would do is you would kick right underneath this H emblem, but you don't want to bust your shin, right? So it's going to move over to the right side a little bit. Give that a kick. It'll flash at you. It'll open right up for your hands-free access power tailgates. Now there's a kit you can use to mount your spare tire. I'm going to show you in a second right there, which will allow you to take advantage of all this trunk space right there. Check out that Easter egg of those mountains in the background for the TrailSport. Otherwise, you got two little cubbies right here you can utilize. I do miss the last generation where I could push a button because I'm not tall enough to have that wingspan. But check this out. You hit that button, it's got a hands-free self-lowering power tailgate. Isn't that something? Super convenient. So come on down. Once again, take a look at those 18-inch HPD wheels right there. Put your hand in the handle. It'll open right up for you. Look at the other end. Dual heated seats. You have dual high-speed USBs, ventilation for your rear passengers. Here's a look at your blackout package right there. It's also going to carry on into the vehicle's design throughout this here. Blindside information, LED turn signals. There's your LED lights. Super aggressive, nice look. Just wanted to give you a couple little highlights here. Thank you again so much for checking this vehicle out. Don't forget to share this with somebody. Let them know, hey, look, that all blacked out, black on there, and black even with the black badging that I was looking at. I found one in Tracy. Hit the brake pedal, turn that on. Got over 12 inches on the main screen, over 10 inches on this screen here. Dual heated seats as well as dual ventilated seats. There's your climate control right there. You got a wireless charger, wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. You have your vehicle's extra little storage place right there. All your drive mode selections. And of course, one more time, that panoramic moonroof looking so, so nice. Thank you again. We know there's a lot of vehicles out there. We just want to make sure you got a nice little preview of it. Don't forget to come on down so you can see in person this big, wide, clear, high definition backup camera, all the features in this vehicle, how to go into your settings and switch everything up from your vehicle settings, and say there's another color right here, how to switch that up, and so much more. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.